Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. And today I'll be revealing to you guys my 2023 strategy on how you can apply it and be able to make profitable trades. But without wasting much time, click the like, click the subscribe, and the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop something new. So, guys, today it's a very important day. Make sure you are on your charts, you have your books in place, you have you're taking notes so that you'll be able to see. Actually, I would like to show you on gold just how you can be able to make profitable trades. Let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm very much happy that today we're actually looking at something that actually happened. I always advise you guys, and you need to understand, look at what is currently happening. This point, I told you that this is a point of interaction. We can see that the market is having challenges breaking this point. Hence, it broke out of this, but it left out with a rejection candle. So I always say that the break doesn't necessarily mean that it is a confirmation that the market is indeed pushing to the upside, because what would have happened if you bought here, you understand, and then now we are much closer to your stop loss, you understand. But I told you that we are selling here. As you can see, we are in profit. We can only buy once it breaks and retest. So this is the only way we'll have our trades as a what? As a buy. So let me just simplify everything. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna clear everything. Let's start with the weekly. I always like to start trading um, the gold by starting the analysis on weekly time frame, because you can see that we are having a very much important information here. So let me just do the honors and clear everything so that you can be able to take notes as I go by. First of all, I can see that we are having what? The highest point here. You understand? So, and I'll most likely like to use this as my lowest point. So I can see the market is playing between the two prices, number one. So by understanding, and I can see that here, what are we seeing? We are having some form of a what? A downtrend here, which was broken. Now we are in a what? In a uptrend. So this is what I can see. So it's possible that you can use this point as well, that this point will assist you in understanding the bigger picture of the trend, so that you then get caught up in the smaller trends, not focusing on the bigger trends. So you must always remember there's trends inside trends, and there's also bigger channels as well that we're able to see you. Same happening here. Look at these big movements. Can you see that all the way pushed up to this point here, pushed all the way up? Okay, fine. So now you need to understand that we are having a trend which was a downtrend. Yes, we capitalized on it, but now we are outside it, and now we are having what? This movement. But then understand that if you use this one, understand, we are on weekly. If you use this one, you understand that what? We are having a break here. We're having a break in weekly. So I like to use this channel. Okay, fine. So now I can see where we are currently at, and we have this point, and also we are having this highest point, and then as we know, I'm expecting something like this, possibly like this. You understand? So you can see and understand that I always say that when we are having a downtrend, you'll have what you can see. This can be looked at something like this. Understand? But obviously, I don't like to keep my charts clustered. I just like to keep everything intact. So just remove some of this, and this I can leave it. But we have to understand the bigger picture. We simply say you are having this movement, this movement, and use this. So we are actually saying that in the long run, I expect the market to be pushing further up, giving us what? A second touch of this point. Understand? So expect the movement to push the buy. It's possible that you can come here, give us a third touch. As you can see with this one, we have 1, 2, 3, and possibly around here. Then we push to the upside. Then what we can expect, a touch to the side. So this is what you're looking at. It's a movement to the upside. And then now I'm gonna go to smaller time frames. Let me go to daily first. Looking at the daily, we can see now we are what? We are in a downtrend. So there's very much chance of the market pushing further to the downside. And then let's go to 4 hour. 4 hours still telling us and showing us movements that yes, indeed, we are pushing what? We are pushing further to the downside. So this is, you can see this. And then obviously, if you like to use this, as I shown you that we had a line coming, oops, with this, we had a line coming here. That's why I always say don't marry trend lines. You see, we had a line chain. So someone would have purchased and said, we are indeed pushing, we're broken out of this, we're going up. But then you always remember that this point, 1 hour, this point, it's the decider of this specific trend, this line here, this point here. If the market closes above and retest, then we know that yes, indeed, we are what? We are pushing further to the what? To the, this one, obviously, something like this. So this will be the updated chart, because you must always remember you don't marry your trends, because I expect the market, because even if you use this one, now you can use this one because what it rejected, you can showing you that I'm rejecting, I'm failing to break this line. Okay, and then what you need to do, that's why I don't like having these very steep channels, because now you have something like this. Having something like this becomes a little bit steeper. Yes, we are in a downtrend now. Impulse correction, impulse. Look what is currently happening. Impulse correction, and correction, another one. So we are having a bigger correction than expected movements. Like something like this. Understand? So this impulse correction impulse. So let me look at what I'm currently seeing here. I'm looking at this. Boom. This is what I'm looking for. Let me put it here. It's my correction. And then voila. This is what I'm looking at. Then what? I'm having the highest point, like I am here. Seeing the market should not has a point, then we sell. Easy, just like that. I hope you took notes and you are able to apply this into your Forex journey. Look what is currently happening here. This is what I'm currently doing. So regardless of this trend, the point that will be the most deciding factor will be this. Yes, we can break, come back, break, something like this, and boom. You understand? But then, as much as we want to look at going further down, if we come here and we push up, retest, then we are definitely pushing up, because now we are saying we've broken the high. Now we are retesting the specific, the new high becomes the low, and now we are pushing further to the upside, and that's when we'll say we are buying now. So don't be afraid of the market hitting your stop loss. Always apply risk management so that you don't be caught up on, oh, is it right? Is it wrong? So make sure you are taking the right trades. Look at what happened here. You see, we had a movement here, and it's simply shown us that what we are having, it's a impulse correction, a break, impulse. But can you see the break of this? And also, if, oops, let me do this, you could have had what? A steep management line, if you put this management line here. Can you see? Yes, you push further and then you bought, but you can see you bought the correction. So you wouldn't know when to exit. Can you see? Let me do this, zoom in. So this was a very steep because yes, indeed, the market pushed down and then it came here and pushed. So this is indeed the management point. So 1, 2, you see. So hence I always advise that you need to be careful of the management group 2. So they broke it. So also this became the management line. You take it here. You see they broke it. So learn to identify your points of intersection. So it's actually much easier if you look at it this way. But it comes with practice. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. So if you look at something like this, identify this, you will see that, okay, find the break, reduce the risk entry. Even here, reduce the entry, can add more interest now. Add more interest and then put your stop loss above here. So if you are a gold trader, can go and sell, and then what? Put your stop loss above here. This is what it looks like. Hope everyone is taking advantage of this trade. Very much happy about it. And then what? I'm gonna send it in the group because now it is giving me much more confirmations. For me, your favorite mentor, as I always come to you, my name is Ofentse Ledwaba. Catch me in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.